Hello everyone, my name is Mayank Verma, the data scientist, and I'm back again with one more portfolio projects that I have made for Power BI among the many that I have already shown on this page. So this one is more in terms of something that we everyday use, the road safety. I got some data for UK road safety department for previous years, and then I quickly loaded everything into an Excel, and then I thought it would be better if I could use something in the back end. So I used Microsoft SQL Server. I created a uh, database and then quickly loaded everything into road accident um, table where we had uh, accident index, date, day of the junction, details, severity of the accident, the conditions, was it daylight, darkness, and which was the local authority, the carriage way has a number of casualties, number of vehicles, and basically a lot of the speed limit was there. Well, what was the weather condition? Was it urban or rural? What was the vehicle type? And then latitude and longitude also were there, which helped me to create this dashboard that you can play around on my portfolio website. I'll just click here to see everything in large on the Power BI service. All right, not this one, this link here. You can quickly close that. So once we have seen this thing, I'll quickly load my projects. And this one, I have made a lot of projects here. So this one I'm talking about PBX file. While it loads up, we can quickly see around. So basically I have two filters. What was the road conditions to check on, and what were the weather conditions. These were really grouped on, so we can see year on year comparison between 2021 and 2022. A decrease is a good thing for the authorities, showing something has really changed. So these are the key findings that I, one second, yeah. So basically there was an overall decline in the casualties, and that indicates the improved road safety by the UK government. And the vehicle involvement were car and bikes that accounted for most of the accidents, contributing to, with cars alone contributed, cars being the major source of travel for most of us. uh, so it was indeed the biggest contributor. And if we compare between urban and rural places, then what we saw was urban was like 60, more than upwards of 60%, suggesting higher density and mobility at risk factors. And the high risk roads were the only single carriageways, which were almost responsible for 145,000 casualties. Um, in this dashboard, the main USPs are dynamic filtering, location heat map, time comparison, and day and night contributions. Basically, yeah, rural, urban, very clearly we can say daytime, nighttime, and we have a map to see which place. So we have a lasso selection as well. So if you see, we just selected this area and every chart just filtered out. You can click here and we can see buses, everything, how much was it affected. You can have a chart. This is a chart of like complete UK. Okay, so if you just select everything here, we'll see how the values have changed. Now this is like basically the complete thing. um, Vehicle types we have, I was able to attach few images, and this looks pretty nice and very easy to understand, like by agricultural type, how many accidents were happened. Bikes you see 15,000, 1,55,000, pretty much obvious. The cars, 2021 current year casualties versus the previous year one, 2025, 2021 being this, and 22 below that means we are achieving and something good. basically these were the root conditions when it was dry 131,000. I suspect when it was wet it should be less, yeah, 50, and snowy is 13,000. um Weather conditions rainy 27,000, and basically we can just check all these things. I'll quickly load up the Power BI. We I made a calendar table as well. There were like irregular dates in that I maybe something I can tell you, like not every day accidents happen. So we used to have a calendar as well for all these continuous MTD YTD functions that we have to use. Um, like current year casualties, this is thing, and then for calculating the previous year we are using a DAX function called same period last year, and basically this is how it looks. Thank you.